The corruption allegations emerging from the Madlanga Commission are putting South Africa's law enforcement system under intense scrutiny, and Acting Police Minister Firoz Cachalia says he is deeply disturbed by what he has heard. Cachalia has reacted strongly to testimony and allegations surrounding the Investigating Directorate Against Corruption, or IDAC, an NPA unit established to investigate serious corruption. According to Cachalia, the revelation suggests that the unit may have been used in ways that went beyond its intended purpose, including allegations that innocent people were targeted. His comments come after the National Prosecuting Authority withdrew charges against Crime Intelligence Head General Dumisani Kumalo, Brigadier Dineo Mokwele, and several others. Cachalia explained that the decision followed a review process initiated by National Director of Public Prosecutions, Andy Motibi. He said he is waiting for that process to be completed before determining what further action may be necessary. But it was his reaction to the evidence before the Madlanga Commission that stood out. Cachalia described himself as, I quote, absolutely livid, end of quote, arguing that the conduct being examined could cause enormous damage to South Africa's broader fight against corruption. He said people in leadership positions appeared to have demonstrated, at the very least, serious incompetence. More concerning, however, are suggestions that there may have been ulterior motives behind some of the actions being investigated. That distinction is important. The Madlanga Commission is still examining evidence, and allegations presented during an inquiry should not automatically be treated as proven facts. The Commission's work is intended to establish what happened, who was responsible, and whether laws or institutional procedures were abused. At the same time, the withdrawal of charges against senior law enforcement officials raises legitimate questions about how those cases were originally investigated and prosecuted, and whether proper safeguards were followed. For Cachalia, the central concern appears to be bigger than any individual case. If a specialized anti-corruption unit loses public trust because of alleged misconduct or politically motivated investigations, it could weaken confidence in the entire justice system. The coming stages of the review and the Madlanga Commission may therefore be critical. What happens next could determine whether South Africa sees accountability, institutional reform, or further controversy within its law enforcement structures. What do you think should happen if the Commission confirms serious wrongdoing? Share your view and keep following the developments as more evidence emerges.